أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Another thing which is related with the topic of negation is min, that is called min الزائدة. That is, we know that harf of jar and that means min from. But in some negative sentences, it can give the meaning of any, almost in the negation sentences. There are few things to learn about this min zaida. We know that zaid means extra or additional. So this min zada is an you can say an add-on to the sentences, a jumla failure or jumla ismiya. That is why it is called min zaida. The huruf like zaida, like ba zaida, min zaida, they are all as a whole. They can be attached with an ism or a fragment without changing its role in the sentence. They give new meaning to the sentence. Like when min is added, it gives like the additional meaning of any. And inshallah, we'll see that in the examples as well. So it can be not a single or not anything. Within a jumla ismiya, min zaida can be attached with the mubtada, and in the jumla failure, it can be attached with a file or the maf'ul bihi. There are few things that need to be considered when using min azaida. Remember that it will always come in the negative sentences or in the sentences which are in the form of a question. Always the word following it will be in the state it will be always common. That is nakira. The third thing that we need to remember is that the sentence should still make sense after its removal. Means if we just remove the min, the sentence is still making sense. Inshallah, when we'll see the example, the whole thing will be clear. So let's see. Atahum nazirun. Nazirun, as we know that it's an outside word that cancels out the damir mustar taqdiru huwa inside ata. So atahum nazirun, a warner came to them. This is simple jumla failure. If you want to change it into Madi negative, a warner did not come to them, we are just going to add ma, that is ma atahum nazir. No warner came to them, or a warner did not come to them. There are two types. In two ways, you can translate this sentence. Now with that, min, that means any. In the addition into this jumla, you can see that as mentioned that it can be attached with the mubtada or the outside word. So ma atahum min nazirun, not any warner come to them. So this is just giving the meaning of any in the sentence. Atahum nazirun, a warner came to them. Ma atahum nazir, no warner came to them or warner did not come to them. By the addition of min, ma atahum min nazir, not any warner come to them. So this is the add-on to the word Nazir. Not a single warner ever come to them. This min occurs in the negative sentence, as you can see. So this is giving us the additional meaning of any, putting the emphasis in the sentence, in the negative sentences, and Alhamdulillah, it serves the meaning of any. With that, we completed our study of the negation, which is a pretty vast study. And we have, alhamdulillah, covered almost all the topics of the basic Nahu. We have only few topics left before we actually engage ourselves into the study of the Quran directly, inshallah. We are also going to go through an entire surah, and hopefully, I am going to start with Surah Jinn, and we are going to break down everything that we have studied so far in our basic Nahu. We are going to put all together in one surah of the Quran. We'll study it properly, we'll study it deeply, in detail, inshallah, and we'll try to even memorize that surah because goal is not just to learn the surah or the rules of the grammar, but to make gains or benefit in the Quran when we are learning this stuff. As we are going in our Arabic language and our study of Quran, we are necessarily growing in a, a deep understanding of the Quran as well, inshallah. And inshallah, we are going to do it together. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.